Hello guys, recently built a computer, not a gaming computer, video editing, and you can see the dust on the keyboard because these components haven't been used in like almost 8 years. My Fatality sound card, which is no longer compatible with this board, as you see it lying right there. CD-ROM is still good, and my 512 megabyte, not gigabyte, video card. You can buy an equivalent card for like less than 50 bucks. And probably has a better processor built into it. You have your Eco drives. I think there's 2 terabytes right there. This goes way back. So only 3 new things is the power supply, the that giant thing, and then the RAM chips. Everything else was bought online. The processor, the motherboard, all the rest of that, I bought it used online.